sensor center, and we have some elevators that have the reflex. That is some cool elevator over there. You can see the reflex box on top of it. It's the Center for Advanced Medicine. Check these out. I believe these are Minnesota, but I'm not sure.
Yes, they are. They have reflex.
Yep, they definitely have the reflex on them.
And it's so interesting. I've never seen those lanterns. Here it is. Here, look.
1, 2, 2 in the level. It took 2 to the level. The doors take a second to open. All right, send it down to lobby. Here we go. Let's watch it level. One, two. It's not on this car.
No, they don't have the reflex on.
We want the other car then.
Alright, this one's fun.
All right, I'll see you in a second. I'm going to take the other car. The reflex is not on this car. Epic motor startup. Let's see if the reflex works on this one. Because I watched this one level really quick. This one seemed to level quicker. We'll see how this one does. But these definitely have the reflex on. I'll show you as we go by. That one took 3 seconds to level. Here's Jason. Hey, where are you going? You coming? I want to stop at Link and Lobby because it looked like it leveled really quick when it came up.
The other one just doesn't have it on the wall.
Let's see here. Here we go. One.
Yeah.
That one leveled in a second and a half. Let me see how it does in the lobby. That was a second and a half leveling. There's the reflex box, and you missed it. Now watch this one level. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What you saying?
That is weird. Now let's go back up to Link. That is just strange. I mean, these people spend the money on his product and they don't use it.
I thought you had it on. Oh, let's listen.
That leveled in under 2 seconds. So yeah, it's hard to tell. I mean, like I said, I've seen so many of these elevators that have the reflex, but don't use it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.